Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create new characters in Hogwarts Legacy. Let's press any key to start here. So, I already create one character here. This is just begin. Still in the intro. Continue your journey through Hogwarts and the wizarding world here. So if you want to create a new character, maybe this is for me and this is for my brother sister, to create new profile, new character is very easy. Just close your current game. I go to the main menu and here we go. There is a new character option that you can try. You can click it and you can press F key to start game. And here we go. This is the preset. Let's try to create a male character here. And let's try to create the face here. You can choose the face that you want. Maybe I'll go with this without glasses. This skin color. You can adjust the skin color here, black or white or even yellow. It's up to you. Haircut or the hairstyle here. So if you prefer the modern way, buzz cut, even curl like this, dreadlock, or even as a female. There's a female here that you can try on. Let's try by default. This one. I think this one is crazy good. Sorry, let's get back. This is the hair color that you can try. I think I will go with a white here. This is the complexion. You can add scars. So you can try the complexion, adjust the complexion. You can go with the slight younger, older, and freckles. You want to clear the freckles here, just slide to the left, or you can add mole like this. There's a mole on his face here. And even you can add scars here or markings. I will add marking here as scars in the eyebrow. The eye color, you can choose maybe white. I'll go with white, or let's try, is there any bluish like this? Eyebrow color, we'll go with this. And the eyebrow shape, even you can try the no eyebrow, maybe this one looks scary. And And then this is the finalize your character now. The voice 1, voice 2, voice 1 for male. You can lower the pitch to more, and you know, like manly one you can turn down, or you can slide to the left. Select your difficult, demanding gameplay or balance or easier, or you can focus on story with minimal gameplay challenge. And you can name your character here and choose dormitory witch or wizard. After that, you can start your journey here. So feel free to try, create your amazing character. Please choose wisely. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click that button below. See you in the next video.